Hi everyone, and welcome to Rock Climbing Training Program. My name is Andrew, and in these videos I'm going to be showing you guys how to climb from a beginner level to making your way all the way up to about a 512.
I designed this program into 7 levels. The first level, level 0, are fundamentals that I believe can apply to all levels of rock climbing. The next levels 1 through 7 are ranges that I believe rock climbers can fall into. This might be a place that you might be plateauing. I also want to include a conversion table just because I know that not everybody lives in North America. So here in North America, we use the Yosemite decimal system. And for the purposes of this program, I've outlined from 5.6 all the way up to 5.12D. And so let's just say you take a 5.10C and you're like, what is that in the country that I climb in? So if we take that and we go all the way over to like the French level, we can see that that would be like a 6B in France. And I know there's many tables out there like this, so I wanted to include my source. My source is MEC or MEC here in Canada, and you can read that link down below. I also want to draw your attention to the areas that I've highlighted. So if you look at a 5.9 and a 5.10A, the hardest part about these routes is going to be about a V0 boulder problem. And if we go all the way down to a 5.12A, the hardest part of about a 5.12A is going to be about a V4 boulder problem. Some people don't know this, and some people also might wonder why, if they're climbing on ropes from a 5.6 to a 5.8 level, why can't they start climbing like a V0 or V1 boulder problem? Well, you can see right now that those boulder problems are a lot more difficult than a 5.7 rope problem.
What you're also going to see are lots of videos of my home wall. This allows me to set certain problems, and then it allows me to really describe a technique rather than me trying to use a gym where I'm kind of sort of showing it. As well, I will be actually using my home gyms here because, you know what, I can't really set everything, and it's sometimes really great just to show you on a larger surface, you know, what you're supposed to be doing. So I hope you like this program. I hope you like these videos. Leave me a bunch of feedback because as I keep going along, I'll slowly start to incorporate some of your feedback, maybe make some edits, maybe even add some things to certain levels because you know what, you guys suggested it. So let me know, and I hope you like it. So thanks.